it's Michelle
and Molly,
and we are on location. Something to think about when you go shopping for anything. What do you look for besides what you're shopping for?
Yeah, if a fire broke out in the middle of a building while you were shopping, do you even know where you would go or
Do you know how
what
to
you
get
would
out? Do you know? So we're gonna go check some things out.
Follow us.
So we found a Knox box. How exciting is that? So yeah, it's got special keys in there that the fire department can access in case they have to unlock the building to get in there to crash down the fire.
So cool. So right next to their Knox box is all of the zones. So when the fire alarm is tripped, it'll tell you exactly which part of the store that the emergency is happening at, so they know exactly where to go. How cool is that?
System on. You are here.
Right here. There are control panels in the very back of the store. Very cool.
Oh, that's a nice map. Knox box.
So just in this shot, you can see emergency exit light. You can see sprinkler head, smoke detector, and a horn strobe. So we're inside right now. So far we've noticed exit lights, emergency lights. They have smoke detectors, but no heat detectors. And they have horn strobes. We haven't seen any fire extinguishers yet though.
Not yet. We're gonna take with them. Well, we found a full station. There we go. Right back by the exit in the very back of the store.
The door is just different kind of horn strobe.
So
This is a wall-mounted horn strobe, not a ceiling-mounted one.
found a fire extinguisher sign.
So in just this little area, we have the fire extinguisher. You obviously have an emergency exit light because there's an exit here. There's sprinkler head, another smoke detector, a wall-mounted horn strobe, and emergency exit doors.
Yay! So that kind of concludes our outing. It was a little bit, we had to kind of look around for fire extinguishers.
They had two in this entire
That
building.
we found, yes. But there was a lot of exit lighting, letting you know how to get out if you needed to get out. And signage, good signage with that.
Totally.
All right. So just, be on the lookout and check things out and make sure everything's good.
At least always know where your exit signs are in case something happens.
Yes. All right.